All right, what's going on? We're going to do a weekly review for September, what is this, 21st to 26th, I guess. Start on the trades. So we got a ES. We took it on the 1 hour over here. This one off the 1 hour on this is going on Monday. This was a limit. It got filled. It got the time. There was a rejection block. Yeah. I put my stop halfway to the mid of the rejection point, and then I targeted a round number from price discovery, all-time highs. And then also, you can note that for the monthly cycle, we're in the X phase. That's your reversal or continuation. So off this big continuation, I was just anticipating more continuation. It's really hard to sell this. Oh. So that was this one. Put it in Q. So NQ, I bought up here. This is a full stop out on the fair value gap. I don't think there was a rejection block. Yeah, there's nothing there. We got SMT going against us. Hindsight looking at it, we did hit a whole number, 25,000. Um, just hard to short all-time highs. I mean, we are in that Tuesday high day. That was the one thing that on some other trades that went break even because of it. Again, we're in that monthly cycle. So is this going to continue or reverse? And kind of did do that reversal for the month. So that was on Tuesday, took a full loss. This would have been a beautiful short. I just really didn't want to pull the trigger on shorts yet. Being at all-time highs, I did not want to be the first one to short it. Obviously, probably should have shorted it at least just 1 hour. Because Tuesday putting in the high. We'll look at the other markets. But Wednesday I did short it. This is looking at it, a big market maker sell model, head and shoulders, whatever. High gets put in for the week. First leg down, second leg down, going back to the consolidation that I was targeting previous week, EQ. So that was a good trade. And then we got YM. So YM was the one that actually ran. And when it was coming down, everything else was going down. This one just looked straight up high of the week. I mean, it going popping up and coming all the way back down in around level. I went break even on this as everything was falling, even gold, everything was falling. This could have been a nice short too. Just didn't want to short all-time highs again. Break even. So it was what it was. More discretionary. Didn't take out a previous day. Well, took a previous day high out right here on Monday, but the big pump, you know. Um, so gold, I took a break even on this because the indexes were selling off. Should be level right here. All right. Yeah, so 4 hour took it, went break even though, just as the market got wicked in, as these markets, the indexes were rolling over, ambient Tuesday could be high of week. I wanted to play more safe, on the safe side. Nothing really going on here with it. Just kind of went sideways after. I mean, we took previous day high out, so it could have been your reason to play it safe. I mean, wanted this, then go break even, but this was more discretionary break even, just based on correlation of the markets. Then we had oil. Oil was probably the best trade of the week. So we had the 4 hour for value gap. This was on Monday. that it's putting in the low of Monday. Again, that reversal for the cycle coming in, putting the low in, been respected. This was a rollover trade, so rolled it over into the next day. Targeting previous week high, going into inventories. Obviously, before it got tapped before inventories and really went out here. Yeah, that was a solid trade. And then we got gas. Gas kind of was what it was. Original target was up here at the previous week. Here, when their inventories came out, we had the big push. Inventories came out 9:30 right here. I brought my stop all the way to week open. That was the first target. Week open, previous week EQ, previous week high low, month high low. But week open, I put it right here just to secure something. It didn't react off of anything. I mean, it was a 3-hour trade. Looking at Tuesday, put the low in. Thing I want to know too is on oil. I forgot. We did have that big rejection block on the daily, so that was another big level. Just to note that. But yeah, on gas. Yeah, looking at Tuesday, put the low in for the week. It was also rollover. So I was playing it kind of cautious as we gapped up, looking for the gap fill back down on the rollover contract. Just secured something because if inventories was gonna go, it was gonna make a big candle from here and just hit target. We didn't get no real reaction, so I played it safe. Um, yeah, and that's about it. So overall, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 trades, 2 break evens, 1 loss. I think it was about 16 R holding. So it was a good week. See what next week's gonna have, but we'll review everything on the outlook tomorrow for the weekly outlook. All right, yeah.